I am here at Feliz Paseos Park here in Tucson, Pima County, Arizona, and I'm about to read this signage about Sonoran desert plants and animals. While unlikely that you will encounter all of the plants and animals in this image in one visit to the park, the signs of life are present at any time of day or season. A nest in a cactus, bird songs, and a hoof print in the sand are just a few of the many signs of wildlife that you may discover along the way. The Ocotillo, Fauquaria splendens. Hummingbirds are attracted to the Ocotillo's bright red tubular flowers. The Ocotillo drops its green teardrop-shaped leaves in time of drought. Mule deer, Otocoileus hemionus. Named for its large mule-like ears, this deer is ever alert for sounds. Mule deer browse on desert trees and shrubs. If you catch a glimpse of one, it will probably be at dawn or dusk. Engelmann's prickly pear, Opetunia engelmanni. The most common prickly pear in Arizona provides food for birds, javelinas, rodents, rabbits, beetles, tortoises, and humans. The cactus wren, Campylorhynchus brunicapillus. This large desert wren will announce its presence with a raspy chugging call. The cactus wren uses its long beak to probe for insects. It nests in cholla cactus and is Arizona's state bird. The regal horned lizard, Phrynosoma solari, once called the horned toad, this lizard is a specialist at eating ants. Its spiny armor costs its speed and mobility, but offers protection from snakes and other animals that find it difficult to eat. Horned lizards are able to squirt a bloody liquid from their eyes at would-be predators. Jojoba, or jojoba, Simonsia chinensis. Large animals browse on jojoba year-round. Rodents and birds eat the nuts, which contain a high-quality liquid wax. Desert tortoise, or Sonoran desert tortoise, Gopherus agassizi. Well, actually, I take that back. I mean, it's supposed to be a Sonoran desert tortoise, Gopherus moravki. Gopherus agassizi belongs to the Mojave desert tortoise. That's their scientific name. But let's read about him anyway. The desert tortoise gets much of the water it needs from prickly pear fruit, grasses, and tender shoots it eats. The tortoise spends the cool winter months deep in the burrow it dug with its stout front legs. The coyote, or coyote, Canis latrans. A chorus of coyotes can spring up when you least expect it. The cacophony of yips and yelps makes a few coyotes sound like many. As true omnivores, coyotes dine on pack rats as well as cactus fruit. It says dines, but it should say dine. Moving on. The saguaro, Carnegie gigantea. Saguaros grow extremely slowly, mostly during the summer rainy season. A year-old seedling may measure only a quarter of an inch tall and be barely a foot tall after 15 years. At about 30 years, saguaros begin to flower and produce fruit. Arms first appear around 75 years, and by 100 years the saguaro may reach 25 feet. Saguaros that live 150 years or more may tower as high as 50 feet and weigh 8 tons. Foothill palo verde, Circidium microphyllum. Chlorophyll in the bark of the palo verde continues photosynthesis during the dry season when leaves are dropped to conserve moisture. Seeds and seedlings are eaten by quail, javelinas, rodents, and rabbits. The javelina, Peccary tahaku, should be Tayasu tahaku, depending on your preferred taxonomy. Javelinas are peccaries rather than pigs. They travel in herds looking for succulent cactus, roots, and fruit. Their distinctive canine teeth are the longest of any animal in North America. The greater roadrunner, Geocossex californianus, with 2 toes pointed forward and 2 pointed backwards. The roadrunner is well designed for chasing down lizards. Birds and snakes. You won't hear a roadrunner beep beep, but you may hear its deep cooing or soft rattling calls. Fishhook barrel cactus, Phaerocactus wilsoni. The fruit stay on the cactus for a long time, serving as food throughout the year. Brittlebush, Ancelia farinosa. Bright yellow flowers stand above a mound of leaves on stems that exude gum used as incense. The black-tailed jackrabbit, Lepus californicus. The long ears of this desert hare help it shed heat. It is much larger than the desert cottontail and very shy.